Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn Levantine Arabic. Today we have a lesson about food and drink in Arabic, specifically about cooking. So the verb to cook is طبخ, طبخ, in the past tense, and in the present tense يطبخ, يطبخ, طبخ, يطبخ. For example, ما بعرف أطبخ, ما بعرف أطبخ. I don't know how to cook. ما is used to negate the verb. بعرف, I know. ما بعرف, I don't know. أطبخ, I cook. ما بعرف أطبخ, I don't know how to cook. If you want to know how to use a verb in Arabic, you also need to learn the active participle, which is commonly used in Levantine Arabic. طابخ for the masculine, طابخة for the feminine, طابخين for the plural. طابخ, طابخة, طابخين. For example, شو طابخين اليوم? شو طابخين اليوم? What have you cooked or what are you cooking today? We use طابخ or طابخين when we're asking about cooking around the mealtime. So we're asking what have you cooked, or maybe you're going to cook, or maybe you're in the process of cooking. So we don't use the past and we don't use the present. We use the active participle. شو طابخين اليوم? What is for lunch or for dinner? What are you planning to cook? And we have the noun طبخة. طبخة. طبخة refers to the food that we cook. Usually it refers to like Arabic style cooking. So it does not refer to fast food. It does not refer to snacks. It refers to kind of family style home cooking. For example, كتير زاكية هاي الطبخة. قلتيلي شو اسمها؟ مقلوبة. كتير زاكية هاي الطبخة. قلتيلي شو اسمها؟ مقلوبة. This food is very good. What did you say it was called? مقلوبة. كتير زاكية. It's very good or very delicious. كتير is very. زاكية means it tastes good. كتير زاكية, it tastes very good. هاي الطبخة, this food. هاي, this, الطبخة, the food that was cooked. قلتيلي, you told me. قلتي, you said. قلتيلي, you told me. It's kind of the short version of قلتي إلي. So you said to me, you told me. شو اسمها? شو, what? اسمها, its name. اسم, name. اسمها, its name. مقلوبة, which is an upside down popular Arabic dish with rice, chicken, and vegetables. مقلوبة. And that's all for today. I hope you found this lesson useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next one. مع السلامة. Bye.